is. Under that log. You got a net in here? Dude, he's digging too.
And I set the hook. That's 5 pounds. Stay on there! Don't you do it. Oh my God. Please, please, please stay on there, please. My first peacock, United States. Please stay on there. Bring him here. Get him by! Bring him here. We got him. We got him. You deserve this. This is a trophy, my friend. 5 pounds. Your first fish is a 5 pounder. Mike Iaconelli, everyone. This is an honor. Man, from watching Mike since I was 13 years old, Bass Master Classic, to me putting him on giant peacock bass in Miami, Florida. This is the first fish, guys. This is a 5 pound fish. First peacock, United States, Miami, Monster Mike.
Big stick or something. Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh my God, that's not a stick at all. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my Lord! Holy moly! Wow, that changes things.